What's up, I'm SCurl. Welcome to my channel. So today is Monday night. You can see I have like all this white stuff in my hair because I just sprayed dry shampoo on it, and I'm trying this hair hack where you're supposed to spray dry shampoo on your hair at night. In the morning you're not supposed to see the white. So I'm doing a little short with that to see if this hack really works. But tomorrow I have a shoot, so I have been prepping all evening. Wardrobe, I have to bring a lot of clothes, and I need to do my nails. I'm finally doing them on my own for the first time. I took off the no chip. I'm just gonna file them, like clip them, file them, and call them a day. Today's actually Valentine's Day, so I'm going to eat ice cream. I got some coleslaw. It's my like little Valentine's Day gift to myself, and probably watch a 30-minute series of something or whatever, because I do need to be up pretty early to do my hair, makeup, and make sure that I get the car loaded to go to my shoot. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. It is Tuesday morning. I have 15 minutes left to finish getting ready and head out. I do have a YouTube short to let you guys know if that hair hack worked, of putting the dry shampoo on the night before, so make sure to check that out. As far as my hair, I did just style it like straight. I was also looking at one of my like past videos, more recent, of when I got my last trim and how much my hair has grown. I think I'm gonna do a YouTube short showing you guys that too. I really want to contribute most of it to the keratin treatment, because I recently met another lady who had a keratin treatment and she was telling me how much her hair grew with this. So I'm like, okay, my hair grew like really fast too. So that was probably like one of the biggest things that helped it to grow as quickly as it did. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna drink my turmeric tea, pack up my stuff, and let's head out. I just got back. It's 6:32 and the shoot was very easy. The people were super nice and I had a good time. We couldn't finish everything, so they gave us some of the product to bring home with us, and we're gonna do TikToks from home, and then they're gonna pay us for that, which is really nice. Tonight, of course I'm tired because I'm always tired after my shoots. I'm gonna finish uploading a video. I'm gonna try to get it up tonight. I also got some paper masks, which I've never ordered paper masks, but I felt like I needed some, and these are actually in a lime green color, so I'm super excited to open this up real quick. I got this from Nibs, and it's by the brand Private Stock Labs. Let's see, 4-ply protective masks. I just really want to see how vibrantly green these actually are, and these are definitely a vibrant green. And I'm making me some tea real quick. I want to show you guys this tea because I am like obsessed with it. I got this from Target, but it is just organic turmeric with meadowsweet and ginger, and I just mixed this with some honey and lemon, and it just like everything. Got my water boiling now. Get my little lemon out. I need to go grocery shopping, so I'll probably try to do that. I low-key need to do it tomorrow because Thursday's supposed to snow. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap up my hair. I will see you guys. Today is Wednesday, and I'm gonna run some errands, and just wanted to put myself together a little bit to help me feel better. So wrapped my hair last night, and to be honest with you, it's been itching, like my scalp's been itching, so I'm really ready to oil it, but I also don't want the oils to weigh it down just yet. I do want to put a teeny weeny bit of oil on the ends because my hair is feeling a little dry. I'm going to use my Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Hair Growth Serum. Shake this up a bit. It's 4 drops. This is the hair for today, and I'll see you guys later. Good morning. Today is Thursday, and I'm actually about to head to the fabric store because I have some more leathers on hold for me, so I'm gonna go pick them up. I'm really excited, so I'll bring you guys along with me. For my hair, I just did my little high bun and 2 loop pieces in the front. I wanted to just like look cute as I go over there, so let's head over to the fabric store. Good morning. Today is Friday and I am on my way to a dermatology appointment. My skin has been doing a whole lot better. And today for my hair, I just did a middle part, put it in a bun. I sprayed this moisturizing spray by Luster. I'll have a link down below, but I actually really like this spray. I would say it causes your hair to revert a little but just kind of spray it at a distance and it won't cause too much reversion, but it still leaves my hair feeling really moisturized. That stuff is really, really good, especially if you have braids or some type of protective style. That stuff is amazing. But let me put on my coat and let's go. Today is Saturday and I have my hair in the same style I did yesterday. Literally did the exact same thing I did to it yesterday, including spraying the Luster Moisture Spray on my hair. I'm on my way to my friend Abby's. She's making lunch and we're gonna work on some content strategies. But it's gonna be like a pretty chill day. Later I'm gonna come up and clean my place. But I'm running a little late, so let me put on my shoes and let's head over to Abby's. What's up? Today is Sunday and I've been laying pretty low. I did do my hair, as you can see. Had to do it for a video for a company, so I didn't film like for my vlog, but it will be in a separate probably Instagram video. Also, if you're interested in learning how I am becoming a designer and like the steps that I'm going through to make my products and stuff like that, be sure to follow me on Instagram because that's where I put my fashion content. But for now I am going to edit my video, my vlog for this week, and I'm probably just gonna try to chill a little bit. I do think I have like a little bit of a busy week this week, and I do have shoots towards the end of the week, so I might have to end up doing my hair one more time. We'll see, probably not. I'm working on trying to get a protective style as well. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.